Here's how to clone a website to WordPress, and it's actually way easier than most people think. This is about taking design inspiration and recreating layouts that work. Start by picking a website that you want to use as a base. Right now, I'm looking at these free HTML5 example templates from getbootstrap.com because I want to use them on WordPress instead of dealing with plain HTML. This product template has that clean look I'm after. You can use this technique on basically any website out there. Just make sure it fits what you're actually building. Once you've found something you like, you'll need CloneWebX. Just search for it and head to softlife.io/CloneWebX. Then hit Go to App. They'll want you to sign up first, which is pretty standard. The dashboard is simple enough. Hit Add New Project and give it a name that makes sense to you later. Copy that website URL you want to clone and drop it in the input field. Create Project moves things along. Now here's where it gets interesting. You need their Chrome extension, so click that Install button. It sends you over to the Chrome Web Store, where you add it like any other extension. Open your target website in a fresh tab and scroll through the whole thing. This loads everything properly, so the extension can grab it all. Click the CloneWebX icon in your browser toolbar, pick your project from the dropdown, and hit Add Page. Watch it capture everything automatically. When it finishes, you'll see your captured page in their interface. Switch from individual elements to entire page for the export type. Pick Elementor since that's what we're using with WordPress. Download their SoftLife plugin while you're there. It's located under Requirements. Jump over to your WordPress admin area. Go to Plugins, hit Add New Plugin, then Upload Plugin. Drag that SoftLife file you just downloaded and install it. Activate it too. While you're here, search for Elementor in the plugin directory and get that installed and activated as well. Now, time to build the actual page. Go to Pages, Add New Page, then Edit with Elementor. Change the page title to Homepage in the settings and set the layout to Canvas so it uses the full width. Back in CloneWebX, hit Export. This copies everything to your clipboard. Return to your Elementor editor, right-click in the content area, and choose Paste from another site. Hit Ctrl+V and watch WordPress rebuild the entire layout with all the elements in place. Hit Preview to see how it looks. Everything stays responsive and works on phones, tablets, whatever. Make your tweaks to logos, images, text content, then publish it. Last step is setting this as your homepage. Go to WordPress settings, then Reading. Change it to a static page and select your new page as the home page. Save those changes, and now visitors see your clone design when they hit your site. Want more pages? Just repeat this whole thing on different pages from the original site. You can build out everything this way, page by page. Mix and match from different sites if you want something totally custom. CloneWebX has a free version to test things out first. Takes maybe 5 minutes once you know what you're doing. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more.